is Leslie, and today I am super excited because I am going to go ahead and unbox this box. So let's go ahead and see what's inside of it. I'm excited. Turtles of the Grayskull. When these came out, I was super excited to see them. I have the hookup, so a friend of mine got these for me and sent them to me. So we are going to open up one of them. Let's see which one. I would open up He-man first. So we're gonna move these to the side. All right, so we're gonna open up He-man today. So this is the box, the front, and this is the back. I am super excited. When they decided they were gonna do this crossover, it blew my mind. So my husband doesn't know I have these. These are actually his birthday present, but I'm gonna open up them anyways because I wanna play around with them. So here we go. All right, take out the comic book. Just gonna open it up a little bit so I can start back in there. All right. So here's the figure. Okay, and I will be right back because I'm gonna take him out of plastic. Okay, so I have the figure out. He comes with the mace here, which looks like maybe a bigger version of Spike Horse mace in silver. It comes with the comic book and the little insert that everything comes with. The 4 figures on the back. Comic book in hand. Let's see the figure. The new body style I love. I have not got any of the new figures with the new body style yet. They have not come to the store yet, so I'm super disappointed. But I'm super excited that these are the first ones I get to see. I love the arms because they are Andre the Giant from the WWE Superstars line. They look so natural on his body. I do like the green hair and the new face that he has. I do like that his foot is out. And this is He-man when he is enthralled. So I do like the face. It looks like it's got the red eyes and everything like that. So I do like this figure very much. Okay, so now I have some examples for you. So this is the original turtle from 1988. His color scheme is great. And he was a great figure for his time. And then Muckman came out, and look at his vibrant colors. Many children went to the store and wanted this figure over this figure because of all the different colors that it came with. And this figure is from the Toxic Avengers. Whoops. This figure has the vibrant orange colors that makes it very eye-catching to the child. And then you have the He-man, which is great color scheme that it has. It's very bright, and when I brought it in today to show my son and my nephew, they wanted this one against all the other all the 4 figures because of his color scheme. I think it's a great color scheme. I think it's eye-catching, and I think if you're going to buy it for a child, this would be a perfect gift. This mashup just fits just perfectly because the Turtles and He-man came out at the exact same time. And they were both talking about multi-dimensions or universes. So it's just a perfect fit to have the mashup together, and just the vibrant colors. There's a reason the Turtles were around for so long. They had the vibrant colors that children want to play with. Here's the comic book. I do believe that Man-Child does have the English version, but I do believe everything else that is coming off of eBay has the European version. I am going to go ahead and show you pictures of the English version so that you can read it if you would like. If not, go ahead and skip past this part, but just for all those that would like to read it. Now I'm going to go on to a segment that I like to call Smash or Pass. And I am going to smash this figure because I love it so much. I am a big Turtles fan because I have 2 little boys and they are into turtles. And I am a big He-Man fan because that is all I have for you today. So if you have enjoyed this video, I hope I have earned a like and subscribe. I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are in the world. See you later. Bye.